Hello friends, let's derive the conversion of methane to methanol. Methane formula is CH4. Methanol formula CH3OH. So this CH4 we need to convert into CH3OH. That is, when we check the formula, that is, of the 4 hydrogen atoms in the methane, 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by a hydroxyl group. The hydroxyl derivative of alkane is alcohol. So from methane, 1 hydroxyl group is attached in the place of hydrogen, that is methanol. So this conversion on what basis takes place, that we can learn now. To carry out the reaction methane with oxygen, that is to form methanol, methane has to react with oxygen under these conditions. These conditions need to be fulfilled. The first condition, what is that? Methane and oxygen has to be mixed in the ratio, or they need to combine in the ratio 9:1. They need to combine in the ratio 9:1. Then when they are combining 9:1, those mixture of gases we need to compress to 120 atmosphere. So after compressing the methane and oxygen in the ratio 9:1 and passing and compressed to 120 atmosphere, those mixture of gases we need to pass over copper tube. Through the copper tube, the mixture of gases need to be passed over. So when it is passed through the copper tube, the temperature has to be 475 Kelvin. That is, the copper tube has to be heated. That heated to around 475 Kelvin. So under these conditions, the reaction takes place, that is, methane reacts with oxygen. As a result, the methane is converted into methanol. So now we have converted the methane into methanol. Now we can check the equation whether it's balanced or not. The left hand side, how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 oxygen atoms are present on the left hand side. But on the right hand side, how many oxygen atoms are there? Only 1. So what we need to do, this is even number, but this is odd number. This odd number we need to make into even number by multiplying by 2. That we can do it now. So this CH3OH we need to multiply by 2. That is, 2 is placed in front of the formula. Now this 2 belongs to all the atoms in the compound. So now the right hand side 2 carbon atoms, therefore the left hand side here it is only 1 carbon atom. Therefore we need to balance this by multiplying by 2. So now all the atoms, 2 carbon, 2 carbon, 2 4s are 8, 8 hydrogen atoms. Here also 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 2 oxygen, here also 2 times 1 oxygen, 2 times. So all the atoms are equal. So now the equation is balanced. So this equation, that is the conversion of methane to methanol. Once again we can recall the conditions. Methane reacts with oxygen in the ratio 9:1, and the pressure has to be 120 atmosphere, and the gases need to be passed through copper tube, at a temperature around 475 Kelvin. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.